Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
It turns out when they weren't there.
Good morning.
Stacy.
Good morning, Miss
Hi, I'm so
Lavelle-Lecky.
sorry. Hi. Yes, Miss
You
Level-Lecky
have,
here.
all right, thank you. You are appearing for arraignment purposes this morning, and you're appearing with Miss Mistley. It does appear that you have two cases this morning, so we're going to take them one at a time, okay?
Thank you.
So the first case is
I'm so sorry. Can I interrupt before we start? It's pretty important that I do. I apologize profusely. I had trouble with this getting onto the Wi-Fi for being late, but I'll need, even for arraignment, Janet Mistley. I've already had her. I had her last time, and she made a lot of promises to me. I know. And she made a lot of promises. Can you hear me? She made a lot of promises to me that instantly did not happen, and also joked around with the judge about me and found me cute and mentally unstable. Also, she chose the pills she takes to give me. So I can't use her in any way, shape, or form for arraignment. Can you please take that into notes right now? I don't even want her hearing my voice and getting any of my personal information. I saw her at Walmart twice with the same judge. They must be married.
Oh my gosh. I am not married to a judge, ma'am, or an attorney.
Her speaking right now shows for itself. That's very illegal that she's actually speaking to me. Just for the record, that's code 9432. It starts with, oh, you looked at it, huh? Online. It starts with 000-94000-444-555. Sorry, Magistrate Rogers, I apologize. Janet, okay, thank you. All of a sudden, she was all I could see on my screen, and she was making faces at me.
All right, so I'm hearing you. So what we're going to do today is we are going to set your bond, okay? And then we can schedule your arraignment, okay? But we do need to set bond this morning, okay?
Yes, I thought I already had one. So sorry.
Pull up your case.
I apologize.
Janet,
Mistley. I'm sorry, Miss Rogers, Magistrate Rogers. Janet Mistley is making faces at me and being very demeaning and rude. I do not want Janet Mistley in this conversation. Now, by my legal laws, I have the right to not have her present. And I do not want Janet Mistley, the woman who dates the other judge and sees me at Walmart and says that my hair looks bad. And her,
ma'am, I hear your concerns, and we're doing our best to accommodate your situation right now, but we have to get the bond set, like I said, and then we can reschedule and make sure that those needs are being met, okay? So just one moment.
I apologize. I didn't know if you could see her on the screen or not. It could be just on my end. Is it going to be the same PR bond, or is it going to be raised since I'm in the same place that I was trespassed or arrested for being trespassed?
We're pulling your case up right now, so just one moment.
All righty. Yes, the address that I'm trespassed for is the address I live at. And that is what they call it. It's called missing your variance here. And it's just a legality term, a federal term, because this is a federal institution that I've argued with them for. I'm so sorry. That is partially owned in part by someone, but the rest of it's a federal institution.
Sorry, ma'am. So if you could, just, ma'am, could you stop?
What I wanted to say is it's the now see, that's Janet Mistley.
Okay. So just one moment. We are going to set your bond, okay?
Like I said,
right. So, ma'am, I muted you. We need to get through this, okay? On case 6386 SM1. We are going to set a $1,000 PR bond. Okay? Just need
Ask her to unmute.
All right, so I've asked you to unmute.
Miss Lovell-Lecky, would you please
Trying to
just
use it
focus
like
on me?
I'm trying
Thank
to
you.
use it
Hold
like a
on.
touch screen. Now,
Okay,
please
thank
quit
you.
speaking to me that way, ma'am. I don't know your name.
I'm Magistrate Rogers.
Hi,
So,
ma'am. Hi.
ma'am,
I thought the
Hi.
person right there was speaking to me. Apologize. Very
we're
hard to
training a new
communicate this way.
magistrate.
I should
So,
use my
I'm
phone. I
sorry.
apologize. I'm on my new laptop.
worries.
So.
That's okay. You said that your address that you're at right now is at the Goodwill Inn, is that right? We just need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
verify that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you are currently residing there, and is that where you can get your mail?
Yes, it is. 2943 Keystone,
North
Key.
Keystone. Yeah,
Oh, yes, it is. I believe it is North Keystone.
Yeah.
You would know
Yeah, we
better.
got
Keystone Road.
So no worries. We are going to mail you a notice of
Thank
a
you so
pretrial
much.
conference in the misdemeanor case. And in the felony case, it will be scheduled for a couple of other processes. But first of all, we want to get you an attorney,
ma'am, may
and
I
we want to
speak?
do that right away. Yeah,
Okay.
go ahead.
Two things. Being that
Okay.
you are the magistrate, I wanted to say thank you so much for speaking with me separately like this. Since we've gotten
No
this
worries.
far, and I can see that there is a judge there, unless that's just
Yes.
is that the administrator or is that the judge?
She's also a magistrate. That's Magistrate
Okay,
Kent
I
Nella.
apologize. Okay, so what I'm saying is
No
that's two witnesses and the stenographer witnessing that
Right.
I'm in the Goodwill Inn on my own
Yeah.
laptop in the same address that you're going to set a court date for, that I'm not
Correct.
trespassing.
That's exactly right.
Mhm.
But we want to make sure
Can
that
we
you have an attorney.
I was wondering if we
So
could
have
have
you-
a sidebar extenuating circumstances, if that could just be read.
Okay, well, for right
Please.
now, I just want to make sure that you get an attorney, and we are going to mail those notices to 2943 North Keystone Road in Traverse City.
I would like William Burdett.
Okay. We can't guarantee that Mr.
Thank
Burdett
you.
will be assigned, but we'll do our best to get that information
then.
to the clerk that assigns the attorneys. And Mr. Burdett will be in touch with you within the next week.
There is another man that I can't work with as well. Oh my, I don't know if I remember his name. I'll have to look it up. I
Okay.
apologize.
If we'll look
It's
and
in
see who
record.
if you've had.
Yes,
Right.
thank you so much. It's on record, and now
Well-
Judge Peters should be on that list as well.
Okay.
Can you please
So
make
for right now,
a separate note about that? And Janet
Yes.
Misley's back.
it's okay. We're
Yeah.
all set with you.
The
Ms.
attorney that is not
Lovell-Lecky.
mine, that is snapping her head up and down at me.
No worries. She's not doing that. She is working on another case right
How
now.
would you know? I'm
So-
staring at her. Miss Rogers,
can-
I find
Yes, ma'am.
that you're being extremely rude. It's
I'm
actually a
sorry.
violation of my rights for you to talk to me that way.
Okay.
And no, it is my right for her not to be there staring at me, considering she's dating the judge that's on my paperwork. And it was on my last paperwork.
For right now, Ms. Lovell-Lecky, we don't want to say anything more. We're on the record. So
No,
we
I'm
don't want
saying
you to
that
say
out
anything
loud
more.
the same way I'm saying that you're not giving me my civil rights and my human rights right now. And
Okay.
also you're treating me in an unapproachable manner, and also allowing
I'm sorry that you feel that
Janet
way,
Misley,
ma'am.
who I've
The-
asked not to
We're all
have.
set for this morning. So you need to
I'm
just
sorry.
wait so you can speak with your attorney, and we'll see if Mr. Burdette is available, okay? Thank you. You are all set for today.
I hope you heard what I said. Other magistrates, judge, I remember you, ma'am, and Miss Missley. I tried to put it on record, but it looks like the courthouse is somewhere that she works. Also, the arresting officer is her niece for the last 5 arrests.
We've
Thank you
referred
for
your case
listening.
over to an attorney. You're very welcome. All right. So at this point, we are all set. You should be hearing from your attorney within the next week, okay?
One more thing, ma'am. Is this about both cases? One, a trespass case on the place I'm living at, and then 2, the second, whatever, where your Miss Lee's niece came to punch me and attack me?
It is for both your cases, yes.
And
Okay?
what is the date and time?
You should be hearing from your attorney within the next week, okay?
I don't have a phone. I need more information than that. And I need to make sure you have the correct email address.
Okay, what is the email?
It'll be, I wonder if you have it on file. I don't know. It's one of 2 ways. It's probably starting with a L. Am I right? Lovell, Janet Missley. Code violation 4144, 4144, 4144, 93222. Army Code violation, ma'am. I chose to work with the public and not go to the other attorneys who are Chamberlain. Thank you,
So,
ladies.
Ms. Lavalley, we are all set this morning. Thank you. So I am going to,
Yes,
you're more
ma'am.
than welcome to leave the meeting, okay? Thank you.
Well, another day in court, what a sight to see. She said Janet Missley was making faces at me. Saw her at Walmart twice, said my hair looked bad. The strangest dang testimony I've ever had. She started yelling out some Army Code violation while living at the Goodwill Inn, her current station.